Hello everyone, my name is Kaumiet and this is our group project for CCC 1243 Artificial Intelligence. So our project is called Nature Explorer. This is an interactive AI-driven educational game designed for kindergarten children from age 4 to 6 years old. So the goal of this game is to help young children learn vocabulary in a fun, visual, and interactive way instead of static software that show the same thing to every child. So our game uses artificial intelligence to adapt to each child's performance in real time. So our team applied Python and custom Kinter framework to build this solution. The game teaches vocabulary through picture matching, and it features an AI bot called um, Ollie the Owl, who guides an unguided child throughout the session. So I will now hand over to Nielsen for walking through us through the technical architecture. After that, I will come back to demonstrate the game live.
Thank you, Ramyan. My name is Nielsen, and I will explain how we all structure this game technically. Okay, this project is built entirely in Python using the custom tkinter library for the graphical interface. Okay, I will share the screen. Okay, as you can see here, this application has three screens: welcome screen, game screen, and the result screen. Okay, so these screens are all managed through a screen stack system through using the .lif method. And we build each screen using the methods build welcome, build game, and build result. And we put them in a for loop so that the game would run in order. And also the code is organized into four main classes. The first class is the Starfield class. Okay, the Starfield class, which this class creates the animated floating firefly particles in the background using the tkinter canvas with 120 particles that fade in and out continuously using a color oscillation feed. As you can see in the game, you will see the Starfield screen. Okay, and then the second is OLI AI class. The OLI AI class is the brain of the AI systems. It contains the design loop method, which runs rule-based logic, and the analysis session method. Which process the child's full game data to generate the smart report. Okay, and the third class is the OE panel class. This is the visual side panel that displays OLI, which is the smart assistants. It handles the posing animation, the letter-by-letter typing effect, and the blinking cursor using tkinter's after scheduling method. As you can see in the game, you will see that there is a OLI. And the final class, the full class, is the main space game class, which this is the main application that manages game states called the AI engine. After every answers and updates all the UI elements in response. So that is all my part for this presentation. Thank you. And now I will pass to Alham, who will explain our AI features.
Thank you, Miosan, and my name is Alham. So I will explain our per word error tracking system. So most quiz games only track the overall score, but our AI goes deeper, where AI it tracks how many times the child gets each specific word wrong using a Python dictionary called word errors as here. So you can see it will record every word the child got wrong, and it will uses it to enhance the child's ability. So every word in the vocabulary list start with a count of 0 at the beginning of each session, and every time the child answers incorrectly, or the AI increments the error count for that specific word. If a word like cat or moon is missed two more times, the AI automatically adds it back to the question deck, so the child is forced to practice it again. And this is requiring happen silently. The child does not notice, but they get more chance to learn the word they are struggling with because of frequent exposure. And at the end of the game, the there's this this function. So in this function, this method reads the dictionary and uses it to build the smart report, and and it will identify the hardest words and generate a specific recommendation for the parent. So this will read the child's progress, and it will see how the child is doing, and it will generate a unique report for that child, so the parent can read it and give a specific recommendation. So now I will pass the presentation to continue for Ilma. So she will explain our adaptive difficult system. Thank you.
Thank you, Alham. My name is Ilma, and I will explain the adaptive difficulty engine. Our game has 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard. And the AI assign them automatically based on how well the child is doing, with no manual settings required. If the child has answered fewer than 3 questions correctly so far, they are in easy mode. Between 3 and 5 correct answers, they move to medium. At 6 or more correct answers, they reach hard mode. This is calculated by the AI difficulty method every single time before the question is loaded. The difficulty affects 3 things. First, hint timing. In easy mode, Olive gives a first letter hint after just 1 wrong answer. In medium mode, after 2 wrong answers. In hard mode, no hints are given at all. Second, the difficulty badge in the HUD change colors in real time. Mint for easy, yellow for medium, and pink for hard. Third, the point awarded: easy gives 10 points, medium gives 15, and hard gives 20. So the child and parent can always see the current level. Now I will pass to Nigel, who will explain Ole Mood Engine.
So thank you, Lema, and my name is Nigel, and I will explain how Ole's rule-based mod engine works. And this is only a rule Ole class. So let me run this first. After every single answer, the game calls design mode and method inside the Ole AI class that checks the current game state and returns a mod. This is not random, and it follows a strict priority order. First, if the child's wrong streak has reached the in threshold, Ole enters in mode and gives a clue. And the second, if only one life remains, Ole enters a sad mode to alert the child to be careful. And the third, if the child has 3 correct answers in a row, Ole enters the excited mode to celebrate the streak. And the final one, fourth, if the difficulty is hard or there has been at least 1 wrong answer, Ole enters the thinking mode. Otherwise, Ole defers to be happy mode. Each mode has its own face, a unique glow color for the panel bottom, and add a bank of 5 messages. The get message method picks randomly from the bank but never repeats the last. The message shown so Ole always feel fresh and responsive. This means every reaction Ole show is directly caused by what the child just did, making the experience feel personal and intelligent. I will now pass back to Kong for the live demonstration.
Thank you, everyone. And now I will demonstrate the game live. So this is the welcome screen. You can see the Nature Explorer title with animated firefly particles floating in the background. So the instruction card here tells the child to look at the picture and tap the right word. So everything uses large patterns, bright colors, and minimal text. So this is specifically designed for 4 to 6 years old who cannot read long sentences. Let's start the game. Here the game begins. So notice that the owl appears immediately on the right side panel, and his welcome message is typed let's have a letter. So just like a real AI, this assistant, and the cursor blinks while he's typing. So this is not pre-recorded text. Ollie's message is chosen by the AI engine based on the current game state. So at the top we have the live score, the question counter, and the hard lives, and the difficulty badge. Difficulty badge which shows easy here, and this one is the exit button. So let's answer this. Let's say this one is cake. So when I answer this correctly, the button turns a green and celebration message appear. And also the Owlie reacts, his face changes and he types a new encouraging message. So notice the border glow color on Owlie's side panel changes too. So this is the mood system working in real time. So let's answer incorrectly. This is the ball. Let's say bowl. So when I answer incorrectly, here life is lost, almost life is lost, and the wrong button turns red, and the correct answer is highlighted in a green automatically. So Ollie switches to thinking mode here, and gives the child advice. The right answer is here hint. It starts with B. So this is for the next question here. It starts with B, but not a bee, it's a bird. So now this one here, which only when I get 3 corrected answer in a row. So let's say B, bird, and I got 1 answer correctly. 2 answer. It's dog here. The 3 answer. So when I got 3 answer in a row, he switches to excited mode with the butterfly face and yellow glow. So this AI detected a streak and rewarded it. Wow, you're blue. So now let me show the results screen. This is let me show the results screen. Let's say let's complete this one. It's a fish and the moon and a cat and a boat. So this is the result screen. This is only smart report. So a full AI analysis of the session. It shows the accuracy percentage, a learning profile assigned by the AI, and which specific words where the child was struggling with. So the recommendation at the bottom tells the parent exactly what to practice next, and this entire report is generated dynamically from that child session. No 2 reports are ever the same. So I will now pass to Muzna for our conclusion, our game conclusion.
Thank you, Ankang. My name is Muzna Murshid, and I will wrap up our presentation. To summarize, Nature Explore meet all the project requirements. It's target kindergarten children age 4 to 6. It focuses on the vocabulary as the educational goal. The interface uses the large button, bright visuals, and the minimal text. The instruction screen clearly explains how to play without needing an adult supervision. The scoring system is live and non-punctual. It celebrates the correct answers and never scold the child.
Most importantly, the game demonstrates intelligence through the three AI systems working together. The adaptive difficulty engine by Ilma, pre-word error tracker by with automatic requeuing by Alham, and Ollie's conceptual mode engine by Nigel. Together, these systems ensure that every child gets a different personalized experience based on their own performance. We believe nature explore genuinely help young learners by making their experience feel personal and responsive, not like a static quiz, but like having a patient, encouraging tutor by their side. Thank you for watching. This has been our group for CCC 1243 Artificial Intelligence.